Good morning, children. Today we are looking at our reading book on mud. Here's B. B is very unhappy because she fell in the mud. How would you feel if you fell in the mud? I was covered all over in it. Not too happy. Now let's take a look at what's inside of our book, Mud. This is the front cover. Let's move on to page 1. Here we have the characters that make up our book. This is Inky. Here's her name. Inky. Inky. Eh, eh, Inky. Next we see B. For B. Here's her name. B. B. She makes the sound Z. Now here's Snake. Snake is shaped like a letter S because he makes the sound S. Here's Snake's name. Snake. Here we saw the characters, all of them are together here. Here's Inky, here's B, and here's Snake. Let's see what they're doing. Inky, B, and Snake. Run. Yes, they are running. Read it with me. Inky, B, and Snake. Run. Very good. Oh, they're very active here. They're doing something else here. Look at them. What are they doing? They jump. Yes. J, A, M. Jump. Snake, Inky, and B. Jump. Read it with me now. Snake, Inky, and B. Jump. And here they are jumping. Inky says, oof, oof, oof. So, something happened here. Let's sound it out. Ash. Splash. Someone fell in the mud. I think you know who. Oops. Or B. B. Lands. Lands. B lands in the mud. Read it with me. B lands in the mud. Poor B. She's all covered in mud. Oh, what good friends B has. Look at what they're doing. They have soap and water. Let's see what they're doing. Inky and Snake help help to scrub scrub scrub. So they are scrubbing. Inky has a scrubbing brush in her hand and soap, and Snake is pouring the water. They're getting all that mud off of her. They scrub. Let's read it again. Inky and Snake help to scrub the mud off of B. Read it with me again. Come on. Inky and Snake help to scrub the mud off B. What a lucky bee she is. She has friends who are there to help her. Very good. Well done, children. Now let's answer some questions about what we've just read. Now let's find out what's in the book. Who says S? Let's look and see who says S. We're going back to the top to find that out. Who says yes? You guessed it. Snake says S. Let's go down to the questions again. Who lands in the mud? Can you tell me who lands in the mud? Let's search. Ah, who lands in the mud? Read the answer. B lands in the mud. Now let's read another question. And this time, I want you to write the answer in your comprehension book. I want you to look back in the book, at your reading book, find the answer, and write the answer in a sentence. Let's read the question. How do Inky and Snake get the mud off B? I'm going to read it again. How do Inky and Snake get the mud off B? Now, I'm not going to look back. I want you to look back in your reading book and find out how do Inky and Snake get the mud off B. And I want you to write the day, comprehension, and the answer in a sentence. I know that you can do it because you're bright and smart children.